excuse my hair because I tied it in a ponytail and it's not working with me, and I got it cut and it's short, so it looks a bit crazy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Aoife. It's nice to meet you. So I am so excited today. Today we're doing a LUSH haul. So I have not done a LUSH haul in a good few months. I'm so excited to be doing this. I haven't done one since January when I went to England to like buy it in the actual shop. But today I just came home from college just like 10 minutes ago, and I found this package outside my door. So I ordered some essential hair care items. So that's basically what's in this box. I think I have some like other stuff. I think I have like a shower gel, I think. But yeah, I basically needed some like essential things. So that is basically what this haul will be. I didn't get much. I spent like €80. I know that's like a lot for some, but it's not really. I don't know, maybe it's a lot for some, maybe it's like nothing for some people, but I'm struggling to open this. Okay, so the first thing what I see is they actually got a new design to the box. It doesn't have LUSH on the box anymore, and it has a new inside of the box. So it comes firstly with your order, and then it has these little health squidgy things. My box smells so nice because I have a lot of naked products in here. But this is basically a list of what I ordered. So I spent 57 and 40p. That's in pounds, and I got 6 items. So we're gonna be kind of just rooting through the box. The first thing that I have bought is the American Dream shower gel. So as you can see, there's kind of like a little bit of imprint of my naked thing where it has like collided with it. So I have tried the naked version of this and I absolutely loved it, but I wasn't a fan of the naked. This smells different. Maybe, I don't know. This, I wasn't a fan of the naked version of this just because it was too big to put in a tin. I had to put it in a lunchbox. It melted very easily. So I wanted to buy the big, because I love the scent of it, I wanted to buy the big bottle, but they only had this size bottle, which is the 250 gram. I wanted to buy the double size. It was like 500 gram. I thought that would be very nice, but they only had this one. And this was £9 and 72p, which isn't bad at all, but I don't know. I wanted to buy the bigger bottle, but this is good because at least I'll know if I like it and stuff. But I have a feeling I will like it. The next, oh my god, they're going everywhere. The next thing that I bought is the Scenic. Oh, it smells so nice. I always love the smell of this. This is the Scenic shampoo bar, and this was £6 and 10p. So this is one that I've tried twice. I have used up 2 bars, so this is my 3rd bar. Absolutely love this. The little things in it kind of annoy me, but they kind of just wash away as soon as it hits the water, like when they don't like stay in your hair or anything, if that's like a thing that you were very worried about. I absolutely love the smell of this. It makes your hair bouncy, it makes your hair feel fresh. It's just very, very nice, and I highly recommend it. It's definitely one of my favorites. The next product that we have in here is a new one. So this is another naked shampoo bar. This is, I'm like pretty sure this is a man one. It smells very manly. This is the Dear John coffee shampoo bar. So this is also £6 and 10p. It smells not as coffee as I imagined, which I like because I'm not a huge fan of coffee. This one is supposed to promote hair growth and kind of like stimulate your scalp. It kind of smells like the new one. I'm pretty sure I have it in here. Oh no. So this one here is the new one, the new shampoo bar, and this one is the Dear John. It kind of smells similar, but this one smells a little bit more mintier and like fresher, and this one is more like a manly kind of scent. But this one is supposed to stimulate hair growth. I wanted to grow my hair more, so I decided I'd try this one out, and it was a new one on the range. It was £6 and 10p, which is good, so I'm excited to do that, and of course I'll have a review on my channel. So as I was saying, this one here is the new shampoo bar, and this is the 50g one, and this was £6.10 as well. And I actually bought 3 of these because these are absolutely one of my favourite shampoo bars, so I had to buy 3. I'm just obsessed with them. I don't know why, but I actually do feel like they make my hair grow, and they make my hair very healthy. So I bought 3 of them. I'm not sure if you can see the 3, but I bought 3 of them. These ones, I do have a very in-depth review about them on my channel. If I will like pop it up in the cards, but I really love it. Like, I honestly cannot guarantee the amount of people who compliment my hair when I wash my hair with that shampoo bar is just out of this world. Like, I have got so many hair compliments. My hair just naturally curls with it. It doesn't go greasy, it doesn't go fluffy, like it's just does wonders for my hair. I bought 3 of them because they're my absolute favourite, but I did buy 2, the scenic and the coffee one, just to break it up in between, because it usually lasts me 2.5 to 3 months. A shampoo bar would last me. So after that time I'd switch to another one, so I'd bring in scenic just to kind of change up my hair, so my hair doesn't get too used to it, so it still feels the effects of it when I switch back to it. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. I think I'm going to be starting off with scenic and then doing the coffee one, then back to scenic, then doing the scenic one, then back to new, then doing the scenic one, and then back to new again. Just because it'll constantly be like switching up my hair routine. I think that's extremely healthy for any hair routine, to be constantly switched up so you're not like stuck to one product. I do think that after a while, like I've given in like a few months, so you should say like 3 months with a product, switch it up. Like, you shouldn't have the whole same products for 2 years on your hair. I do not think that's healthy at all. So I really enjoy switching things up, and I just have really found some gems in the Solid Hair Care LUSH brand. So I'm so excited that I got to share this with you. I only actually found out today that they switched their packaging. It is nice, it is very summery and stuff, but yeah, it's very cute. I'm not sure if it means that it came from a different factory or whatever. I have no idea. The shipping on the product, I ordered it on Thursday. So I ordered the products on Thursday, then it was Friday, and then it was the weekend, Saturday and Sunday didn't count, and then today is Monday. So it's very good shipping. I would have got it within 3 days if it wasn't a weekend, which is really good. And yeah, so that is pretty much it. Yeah, so that is pretty much it. I ordered it on the Thursday and it got shipped out on Friday, and then it came to me on Monday. So that's pretty good. So that's like pretty good. I'm really happy with that service, and I'm so excited to try the new shampoo and to try the liquid version of American Dream. I have absolutely fell in love with this scent. I feel like it reminds me of America. I don't know why. I've been to America when I was a kid, but I just feel like it reminds me of like Disneyland or something. So I absolutely love this scent, so I'm super excited to be trying it out in the form of liquid. That is pretty much all for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you soon with a brand new one.